Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I'm here to show you our brand new Sylvan X1. Wanted to start off here on the back of the boat. A couple things I want to touch on. This boat is going to be powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard. Really nice feature that we added on a lot of the Sylvan pontoons that we ordered is the lily pad ladder. So this ladder is actually going to sit about 6 feet below the water. You have 3 steps going vertical, and then you have almost like a staircase with really wide steps oscillating into the boat. So just gives you a really safe and comfortable feel, makes getting on and off the boat really simple. All right, so let's go hop aboard and check out the inside. We're now on board the Sylvan X1. I wanted to point out a couple things up front here in the bow area. You're gonna have really nice roto-molded compartments back here. Tons of storage on this boat for all your life jackets, fenders, everything you're bringing out there on the water. Moving forward into the boat, really nice captain and co-captain's chairs with high back seating, so really comfortable ride, as well as the raised helm. You're going to have a wet sounds audio system, as well as a Hummingbird multifunction display, as well as all your rocker switches for your nav lights, your courtesy lights, your interior lights, and all your accent lights. Another really awesome feature of the Sylvan X1 is actually going to be your ski locker down here. So whether you're bringing skis out there on the water, or a lily pad with you, or really anything you're bringing out there on the water is going to fit in this compartment, and this compartment is actually going to run a majority of the way through that center tune. In the compartment on the port side behind the backrest, you are going to have a privacy shade, so that'll actually pop up whether you're bringing a pump out head with you on the lake, or you're just looking for a changing room. That's going to give you some privacy out there. Moving back to the sunbed here, you do have some forward face seating, as well as storage underneath the entire sunbed. And once you're in the cove and you're ready to relax, you can flip back that seat and really enhance your sunbed space in the back of the boat. This boat does come standard with a power bimini, so a click of a button, this bimini will extend up and give you a little bit of shade from the Georgia sun. Really nice, big and deep storage compartment here. We currently have the boat cover in there. And then one of my favorite features of the X1 is actually going to be your enclosure back here. So whether you're bringing your furry friends out there on the water, or you have little ones with you, it's going to keep everybody inside the boat and safe, and it actually makes it legal to sit back here on the sunbed while you're underway. Another really awesome feature, you are going to have a tow bar. So whether you're doing skiing, wakeboarding, tubing, you're going to be able to do all your water activities. Thanks for joining me aboard the Sylvan X1. If you'd like some more information, visit our website at marinemax.com, or visit us here at MarineMax in Bald Ridge Marina.